Uy, ay kastamin.
Okay, this is the moment. Okay, clear na tayo. Clear na. Doon na kayo. Doon na. Kasi maglalaro na ang championship for boys. So to all our visiting regional teams, thank you very much for coming to Zamboanga City.